Hi guys, this is Akanksha Dande on the Flex Talk. Now, ever since the lockdown has started, all of us have taken on to new activities. Of course, बहुत सारा chill करके बोर होने के बाद, we have taken a lot of new activities and they are a part of our day now. Dancing, singing, painting, cooking, home workouts. A lot of people have started working out. So my point is, we've taken on to new things, but there's one activity which has been the primary one long before this whole situation came up and has substantially increased through the lockdown, which is sitting. दिन भर बैठे रहते हैं यार. So we've sort of always, even before this whole thing, we've had a relationship with a chair and a table. Our chair and our workplace or our work desk, our chair and the lunch table, our chair and the dinner table. And now because all of us are home, we have expanded our territory to the couch and the bed. So, like I said, we've been sitting all the day long. Now I know we're helpless here, we can't do much about it, but I'm saying, कितना time बैठे रहना यार? Us human beings, we are not made to sit. We are made to run, to use our body parts to actually move to survive. Now, no matter the evolution, we are never going to be mutated enough to just sit on our asses. I'm trying to make all of this sound really trivial, but let me tell you, it's not. सुबह उठ के stretching करना है and you start feeling muscle spasms. You try to bend over and you might have a lower back pain. And muscle tightness तो दिन भर का scene है. Touche? The fact that your body finds it challenging to do the most daily, most basic routine tasks by using your joints, your muscles and your body parts, that is not amusing. In fact, it shows that your body is not functioning normally. It shows that the activities which need to be flawless and they are not flawless anymore, that is not normal. Think of this as, imagine you have a vehicle, a car, a bike, whatever, a vehicle. तुम्हारे पास एक गाड़ी है. You start your vehicle and the vehicle starts running. तुम्हारी गाड़ी चलने लगी. And while the vehicle is running, you start hearing some sort of a weird sound from your vehicle that is coming from your vehicle. कोई weird सी आवाज, अजीब सी आवाज आने लगती है. You know at that very moment that your vehicle is not supposed to make that noise. That is not the normal functioning of your vehicle. Now, I hope you're trying and you can draw out an analogy here. I'm saying is, when your body finds it challenging to do the most mundane tasks which are done by using your joints and your muscles and your other body parts, that is not a normal functioning. Our body parts are made to do these things, to operate in a normal, flawless way to do these things, and when they are not, when there's a pain associated along with it, when you find it challenging to do it, anything which is sort of dysfunctional is an indication that your body parts are not being used or they are not actually functioning to an optimum level. So you see, we have established a problem here. The problem is that our body is not functioning the way it should flawlessly function, even to do the most mundane tasks. Challenges, exercise apart, even the most basic activities. So ठीक है, we have the problem now. Solution क्या है? Workouts? Workouts is an all-time thumbs up from my side, and I'm really happy that a lot of people are getting into home workouts because we have the time. But there is always a but. But when we go back to our normal lives, when we start working, when we don't have the time to sit in our houses anymore, I really hope that you can keep up with those workouts. But if you can't, what then? You cannot be sitting all day because, like I said, our bodies are not made to sit, and if that's what we do, there are going to be disastrous and devastating effects on our body. The things that I mentioned, muscle tension, muscle tightness, lower back pain, muscle spasm, these are the problems of the most young generation of our society, only because of the fact that their activity levels are really low. So point being, if you can't get a workout in, कैसे कर पाओगे ये सब handle? There is one thing that I would like to urge and to tell everybody to make it a part of their routine, and that is stretching. Stretching is sort of a win-win situation even on the days you can't get your workout in. So basically all you do is sort of get that blood flowing and tell your body that you're supposed to do these things without causing any headache. So stretching is the most convenient form of an exercise, you can say, or movement wherein you make sure that your body functions to its maximum capabilities. So what you can do is, stretching basically is a routine which can be incorporated in our day at any time. It can be a morning routine, a bedtime routine, or any routine. Immunity की बात चल रही है, you can do this. Just go out in the sun, sit for 10 minutes, and in those 10 minutes, get your stretching in. It's not really difficult to find 10 minutes of your time only to make sure that you can do the most basic activities. So today, because we are talking about stretching, I want to show you guys, demonstrate a few stretches which are basic but very good for the beginner level as well as the advanced level. But they are basic stretches, and the best part is these stretches can be done in under 10 minutes. So these stretches, I've curated the stretches which work on every single part of your body, which strengthen, stabilize, lengthen, stretch every part of your body and activate your joints and your muscles, and you can move flawlessly. So let's see what stretches I have chalked out for you guys. We are starting with the cat camel stretch, which is a deep back stretch. It works on your spine and neck and shoulders to an extent. You look upwards to the ceiling like a cat, arching your back, and then make sure you really lift your chest away from the mat, scooping in and making a clean hump in the camel posture, just like so. Repeat 3 to 4 times and I think you're good to go. The child's pose stretches and loosens your back and shoulder muscles. It is also a really good stretch for your thigh muscles. Sit on your heels and try to touch your forehead to the mat. Extend your hands nice and long and stretch. Repeat 2 to 3 times and don't forget to keep breathing. Our necks can experience a lot of tension and tightness throughout the day. So basically, neck stretches, they are a need. Leaning back neck extensions is a great stretch for your neck and it ensures flawless mobility. Sit on your heels and lean back. Stretch your neck up and down for about 3 to 4 times. Remember, don't go crazy. No jerky movements, otherwise you're just going to harm your neck. Keep control and keep breathing. Shoulder stretch backs are great for activating your shoulders and neck and also facilitate eye movement. Sit cross-legged with hands extended upwards. Stretch one hand leaning back. Also, your eyes and neck look behind as you stretch. Repeat thrice on each side. No jerky movements. Go slow with control. A hip stretch. Place your feet wide and turn your toes out. Put your hands on your knees and let your hips sink down. Push your left shoulder forward and look over to your right. Push your right shoulder forward and look over to your left. Hold a stretch for about 30 seconds and continue the alternate movement. The hamstring stretch. Stand upright, send one leg back. Glide your hands towards your front leg as you extend it to its heel. This stretch also works on your lower back along with your hamstring, which is the muscle at the back of your thigh. Repeat 3 to 5 times. This is a hip flexor and a quadricep stretch. Extend one leg back and shift your weight onto the front leg. Push your hips forward and stretch your hip flexor. Then lift the back leg up to stretch your quadricep and hold. Try touching your heel to your buttock and stretch your quadricep nice. Now sit back on your heel and extend the front leg into a half split. Then switch sides. This stretch can be done once on each side. Stretch as much as you can, but not to a point where it goes to a bad pain or a bad stretch. Stretching every day will really open up your hips and increase your flexibility. So, what do you think? How did you like the stretches and the stretching routine? The stretches which I just demonstrated, they are really not difficult, so please do not make up your mind that they are even before you give it a try. Stretching is like maintenance for your body. Just like you give your car or your vehicle for servicing on a regular basis so that it functions normally or to an optimum level, stretching routine does just that for your body. So please, I would really request you to get those 10 minutes in for your stretching routine. A stretching routine can be done in under 10 minutes. We are home right now and we can actually make it a habit to start working on our body. Stretches will help us to move our body freely, to move flawlessly. It will activate our muscles, our tendons and our joints, and it'll help our body do what it is supposed to do without any pain or challenge or difficulty. I am also attaching a link in the description box wherein I talk more about stretching, benefits of stretching, and a few tips on how to get started with stretching. So it would really help if you could check it out. Also, please, I would like if you could follow me on my social media like Instagram. I am going to attach the related links in the description box, so please make sure that you follow me. And on that note, you know your thing, you know what to do. Please like, share and definitely subscribe. Also comment what you think of this video and if there's anything else I can help you with since we have the time. If not now, when? Get your stretching routine in and trust your stretch and rise, heal, overcome. Thank you.